Hello students, now today we are going to solve the question from the exercise number 13.5 chapter surface area and volume. We are going to do question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank will last? So first we have to find the volume of the tank. So volume of tank, it is a cuboidal tank. So volume of cuboidal tank is given by the formula L into B into H. L is 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. So that will be 15 6 are 90, 19 to 20, 1800 meter cube. And we know that 1 meter cube contains 1000 liter. So it is 1800 into 1000 liter. This is the volume of the cuboidal tank. Now we will see in 4000 people are there, they require 150 liters of water per head per day. So the water required for 4000 person, one person needs 150 liter of water. So this will be 4000 into 150 liter. Now we have to find for how many days the water will last. Now the number of days the water will last will be equals to the volume of cuboidal tank divided by volume of water required for 4000 persons. That means 1800 into 1000 liter divided by 4000 into 150 liter. Now let us solve this. This 1, 2, 3, 0 will cancel here. This will cancel here. Now we'll divide. This will become 45 and then 15 3s. So the water will last for how many days? It will last for 3 days. Now let us solve the question number 7 of the exercise number 13.5. A godown measures 60 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter that can be stored in the godown. Now if you want to find the number of wooden crates that can be stored in the godown will be equals to the volume of godown upon volume of one wooden crate. Now one volume of wooden crate. Now we will take the volume of godown. We will take the formula, that is a cuboidal form, L into B into H. And here volume of wooden crates, that is shown by small l into small b into small h. Now the length of the godown is 60 meter into 25 meter, that is the breadth, into height is 10 meter, divided by the wooden crate is having the dimension 1.5 meter length, 1.5 meter length, 1.5 meter length, 1.25 meter breadth and 0.5 meter high. Now when we will solve this, we will be getting the answer, that is 16,000. So 16,000 wooden crates can be stored in the godown. Now let us do the question number of 8 of exercise 13.5. A solid cube of size 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. Now you might have seen that when we bring a ice cream pack, cuboidal pack, and if we cut into smaller, let's say 4 or 5 pieces, then the sum of all the 4 pieces will be equal to the volume of the bigger ice cream pack. So here also it is given that a solid cube is cut into 8 cubes. So volume of bigger cube is equals to 8 into volume of smaller cube, because it is cut into 8 equal pieces. So volume of cube is denoted by A cube is equals to 8 into volume of smaller cube is denoted by small a cube. Now it is given 12 centimeter, side 12 centimeters, so it is 12 cube is equals to 8 into small a cube. 12 cube, it will be 12 into 12 into 12 upon 8 is equals to a cube. So when we'll cancel this, we'll get, let's say, 8 or 4 2s are 4 3s are, then 2 6s are. When we'll solve this, 3 into 6 18, 18 into 12 is 216. So a cube is equals to 216. So a will be equals to cube root of 216. So a will be equals to 6 centimeter. So now also we have to find the ratio between their surface area. Now here we will be finding the ratio between surface area, between their surface area. Now the formula for surface area is 6a square. So it will be 6 capital A square, that is the bigger one, and 6a square, that is the surface area of the smaller cube. So 6 will cancel here, and this will become 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6. So we'll cancel this 2, 2. So 2 2s are 4 upon 1. So the ratio of surface area is 4:1. Now let us solve the question number 9, that is the last question of exercise 13.5. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Now in this question, the height or depth of the river is given 3 meter and the width is given 40 meter. Length is not given, that we'll calculate. And we have to find how much water will fall into the sea in a minute. Now the length that we have to find in this cuboidal river, that we have to find how much water is flowing, how much distance the water flows in 1 hour, and it is given 2 km per hour. So that means here the length will be equals to the distance traveled by water, distance traveled by water in a minute. In a minute, it is in this one we have to find out. So the distance will be speed into time, and the speed of river is given 2 km per hour, 2 km per hour, and time is 1 minute. So let us convert this into meter per second. So 2 into 5 by 18 meter per second, and this is 1 minute, so it will become 60 seconds. So now let us solve this. This will become 9 here, and let us solve this 3. This will become 20. So it is 100 upon 3 meter. That means the river will travel in 1 minute, that is 100 upon 3 meter. So now we have to find the volume of water. Volume of water flowing, or you can say falling into the sea, falling into the sea in a minute. In a minute will be given by the formula, that is L into D into H. L is 100 upon 3, breadth is given 40 meter and it is 3 meter deep, so this will cancel. So 4000 meter cube of water, 4000 meter cube of water will fall into the sea in a minute.